Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to make chana dal burfi or vein chana senaga pappu chakka. In order to make that you will need 2 cups of chana dal and some cardamom pods, 2 cups sugar, 1 cup of water, and a pan greased with oil. The first step is to make the chana dal and the cardamom pods into a fine powder. After you made your chana dal and cardamom pods into fine powder like this, when they're like no lumps and super soft, put your water and sugar on the stuff to make sugar syrup. In this bowl, I added in the sugar and a half of the cup of the water and put it on medium flame. And you're just going to do this until it's like all the sugar dissolves. You'll see this like kind of string like when you do this. That means it's done. And if it's like that, at that point you can add in the chana dal and cardamom powder into it and mix it up. Make sure to mix it up until there's no lumps, and just put it in the pan and let it sit for some time and then let it harden. After it has cooled down and you cut it out, it might look like this.